What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1, and welcome back to another build series. This is the series that I'm going to be pretty much concentrating the next couple weeks on, and this is the Losi Promoto MX. Now, I know right now I'm a little bit late to the game, but realistically speaking, are we really ever late? So I just want to go over a few things of the upgrades and updates that I'm going to be doing for this RC right now. Amongst other things, I want to make sure that there are detailed explanations of what I'm going to be doing, what I'm going to be upgrading, and my color schemes and everything like that. So let's begin. So primarily, I ended up starting this with the new Spectrum charging station, the S1100. The reason why I went with this one is for just charging a better, faster timing and stuff like that. And I ended up going with the battery, the smart battery that's over there, 5,000 milliamp, 100C rated. Now, my man Earl Motorhead, well, hopefully I got that right. That's off the top of my head. He actually has his motorcycle up to like 4S right now, so hopefully I can get on his level. Also, you're gonna notice that I ended up getting my famous RC screw kit. A lot of people don't like this. The reason why I get it, tell people to get it, is because of, just building your series. Then I ended up going with the carbon fiber chassis, which is directly from Losi. And amongst other things, I'm going to talk about this company very soon. They ended up giving me a custom hoodie with my logo on there. Another things that I ended up getting is just nothing but Treal products that are still coming in as we speak. I mean, they're just all over the place. And this is one of the main things that I do is I upgrade. And then a lot of people like to see run videos, but I just, when I do videos, I update these for you guys. Ended up going with a cool vest that's over there, and this is just going to be a lot of things. But just give me a heads up of what you guys want me to do. What are the first things that you would like for me to integrate with this RC? And leave a comment below. Hopefully you guys enjoy this build series. Rate, comment, subscribe to my fellows up on YouTube. Later.